Okay, hello. Welcome to New Ghost, and I'm just happy. I'm happy. Like I discovered Hugging Face, and I just discovered a thing called Happy Transformers, and in that there is a thing called Happy Generation, which generates text. So what I just did was like I just did a initial training program where I just uh, what to say took this happy generation, okay, like had this model and just trained it with bunch of ruby files and just saved it in a folder called ru ghost. That means ruby ghost or something like that. And okay, and then what I just did was I just wrote this thing called improvement.py, like where every day I can just run something. Like I can just train 20 samples. Today I just trained about like 170 samples or something like that. So, and I made it like 50, 100, and now 20. So that's the thing. And what I just did was like I was even having a program like testing this model and all those stuff. And when I just ran with this text, like Ruby program to print hello world, and I just put as hello, and then it just gave a string called output called world, and I can't believe it. Let me just run it once again because I really can't believe it. Like I achieved something. So restart kernel and run all cells. Okay. Um. Okay. Yeah, it says hello world. Okay. Okay. Now let me change it like hello Karthik or something like that, right? I'm just running it. It's not correct, but we are getting something. Okay, so actually, what happened is like I just kept training, and then it just got saved in this thing like Ru Ghost, and I think I need to distribute this entire directory Ru Ghost or something like that. And this is how I got the data. So there will be a shell script over here, right? So what are all commented out are the projects which I have cloned. Okay, so all these projects are ocean, right? So that's the thing. And the training happens like this, like okay, we'll just take like okay, now it is like 20 random samples of any file, okay, and what happens is like it gets trained for each file in this random files. It just gets trained and finally it gets saved over here, right? So that's the thing, and I'm just doing with ruby and something it's happening. Okay, so I think like okay, like I'll just open my twitter okay. So I think the person called Tenderla or Aaron Patterson, like he just asked, he didn't ask me or something like that. He just said like, okay, like Tenderla, and he just talked a thing about ghosts. So okay, like so that was uh, okay, not this one, not this one. Okay, right, okay. Okay. Let me just put it like, okay, I'm not getting the tweet, okay, but uh, somebody who's, yeah, so like, okay, GitHub has a Copilot, Amazon has Whisper. I hope someone makes a go. So I just thought, okay, it was mine, and somebody just, I think, even what to say, tweeted to me, or somehow they gotten this attention. So I just started doing, and I think even Aaron Patterson liked it. Yeah, so he just liked it. So this was the inspiration to do it, and of course, like I don't know much. Okay, I'm not a super intelligent person or something like that, and it's because somebody had trained this model and what to say, and they have put it, and I'm just literally standing on the shoulders of giant, like that's the thing, and I'm just improving it. So possibly this Friday I will be what to say, like releasing this model or something like that. And I'm very happy, like I'm just very happy, like okay, apart from tab 9 github copilot or something like that, or kite or something like that, we are having something. And what I can tell you is like, okay, like before, like I just used to say, okay, so please don't contribute or something like that, because I don't have, I don't know whether I will even do this project, whether it will be successful or not. I just reminded people of my laziness or something like that. But since I'm going to release this model, and it is going to be some crappy thing, at least like not a good thing, not a good thing means like, yeah, like its predictions won't be so right, but the thing is it'll be something. Okay, so what I just say is like, okay, like if people can, like if you have spare money or something like that, if you are a really free software or open source freak or somebody who believes in developer freedom, please do go and uh, what to say, donated open collective. So yeah, so I think like, yeah, I can what to say, like I can what to say, do something good. Okay, so even if you donate like rupees 500, so I think like rupees 500, sorry, 5,000 USD. Okay, if I just put it like that, I don't know how. Yeah, it is $60 per month. Okay, so yeah, it is high. I don't know. So possibly, yeah, you can donate like rupees 50 or something like that. So rupees 50 comes to almost nothing. So uh 0.63 United States dollars. Okay, that's per month. Okay, so if somebody can do it, or something good happens or something, what I can just do is then I can just hire somebody to develop this front end plugins like for VS Code or something like that, and I can just release it. But yeah, this model I'll be releasing. I feel like releasing it now itself. So how I'll be releasing is like, okay, like there is a thing called Hugging Face models page, like ELS models. Okay, so I don't know whether I'll be releasing in this, because I don't know much about Hugging Face. But of course, I am using Hugging Face stuff only, like this Happy Transformers and all those things. But at least what I'll just do is like, there is a website called TransferKit. Okay, it uses IPFS, and I'll just zip this entire folder, this uh, Rugos folder, and I'll just put it in TransferKit. I hope it works. Oh God. Or did it go down? Somebody. Oh God. When I really want to do something good to the world, this thing disappears. Okay, otherwise, like somewhere, like some file hosting, something like some free file hosting, or at least I'll release it as a torrent. Okay, so that's the thing. It's 500 MB, and that's the thing. So yeah, like I'm just very happy. I'm just very happy about the first result and all those things, and I'm really, really what to say, excited, and I'm just doing something, possibly something like what to say, good to the world or something like that, and something people will what to say, use it and something like that, and something. Okay, now I don't know why it's showing world end and all this stuff. Okay, so I'm not sure. But yeah, like before I just made this video, it just said world. Yeah. Ah, yeah. If I give this small W, yeah, it just says perfectly, right? So almost perfectly, right? So that's the thing. Like if I give capital W, something happens to it. So right. Okay. Ah, end. what what does end mean, right? WORLD, right? Okay, world, right? More training with Hello World program. So I think people will test with Hello World. So if I just train a lot with Hello World program, it's going to be really perfect, and people are just going to believe like this is okay. This Ruby Ghost is very, very good or something. Okay, so over here I just have something like num1, num2, and then sum of numbers, and let me just test it. Okay, so this I don't think that will work, right? So yesterday it was just showing like cos theta, sin theta, or something like that. Yeah. Uh, no, it's not working perfectly. I don't know why, right? So at least today morning it just showed like, okay, like 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus some very long stuff. But now I don't know, like, and I don't know what this hash means and all those things. It means 10 different outputs or something. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. So that's the thing. Okay, so okay, yeah, I'm just very happy, and I don't know what happened to this transfer again. God, it is a really really good project. Did they close it down? How on earth are we going to distribute very large files? This one is like 500 MB or something like that in this, not this data. So in this Rughost, this thing, right? Something, it's a PyTorch model or something like that. This one is 500 MB or something. Yeah, 525.7 MB. Yeah, you can just see it, right? If I hover it. Yeah, 525.7 MB. So I need to distribute it. So, and if somebody is a corporate sponsor and all, yeah, please do help. Like, I can put your company name saying, like, okay, your company is sponsoring, and so you're a good company and all those stuff. So yeah, please do help. I feel like, okay, I must do this or something like that. I don't feel like this is my destiny or something like that. No, nothing like that. I don't believe in all the superstition and all, but I just feel like I can just do something. So if you can, please do help me. Like, not at least in money, or if you can help in some other way, like contributing your time or something like that, refining this thing. And Groom Goes is more about, like, what to say, like, uh, unshackling programmers from proprietary code completion tools. So that's the thing. So that's the main aim. So yeah, if you can help in any other way, please do contact me. So that's the thing. Go to GNU Ghost website, and I think you can find the contact details or something like that, or you can just WhatsApp and Telegram to this number, and that's how it is. So anyway, I'm just really happy, and I just need to work. I just need to do work. I need to survive. So I'm really sorry, like, but I can't end this video, but I have to end this video. Anyway, have a nice day. Bye bye. I'm really really happy. Yeah.